Makarska wakes with silver sea, soft warm sun, a gentle breeze. Olivia walks the shoreline slow, beach walk with Olivia starts to glow. Footsteps fade in pebbled sand, water cool against the land. Sky so wide, the morning clear, every sound feels calm and near. Biokovo rises strong and still, stone and pine upon the hill. From the peaks down to the bay, light and shadow softly play. Pine trees whisper to the tide, boats drift quietly aside. Salted air, the scent of sun, Makarska's day has just begun. Walk with Olivia by the sea, Makarska flowing peacefully. Gentle waves, an open view, every shade of coastal blue. Beach walk with Olivia's days, in slow summer moments and quiet days. Promenade in golden tone, morning coffee table stone. Fishermen return at dawn, night dissolves, the day is born. Swimmers float in crystal light, kayaks cut the blue so bright. From the shore the islands gleam like fragments of a summer dream. Bridge lies calm across the bay, close enough to drift away. Boat tours wait along the pier, Adriatic pure and clear. Evenings glow in amber skies, lanterns light the people's eyes. Music hums, the sea replies, Makarska under starlit skies. Walk with Olivia by the shore, each step calling back for more. Soft warm nights and endless light, everything feels balanced right. Beach walk with Olivia flows where the Adriatic goes. Moonlight settles on the sea, footprints fade naturally. Olivia walks the tide above Makarska, breathing summer love.
Tam tu do dwóch odwróceń trzeba. Tu Polak no południa, to